This video explains how to buy shares of Splendid Medien AG, ticker SPM.DE, step by step. Splendid Medien AG is a German media and film distribution company listed on Xetra. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To proceed, you will need a broker account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SPM.DE to find Splendid Medien AG. Select the matching result to open the stock listing. On the asset page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Splendid Medien AG listing. Verify the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker SPM.DE before continuing. Click the Investor Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.